We are looking at how to pronounce these words and how to say more confusing vocabulary, some of the most mispronounced words in English. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Two different ways are correct of saying it. It is generally said and accepted to be said in English as rodeo. Rodeo with a stress on the first syllable, but this comes from a Spanish word said in Spanish as rodeo, rodeo, to surround. So in English it is also sometimes said to keep the Spanish flavor of the word as rodeo, rodeo from Spanish. It also exists and said like this in English, rodeo or rodeo are both correct. More videos here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, thanks for your support, it helps me immensely, and thanks for watching.